deaths of children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan due to contaminated cough syrups have sparked fear among parents. Are cough syrups safe for kids? When should they be used? And what precautions are needed? Let's explore the facts, guided by expert medical advice, to help parents make informed choices. Colds and cough in children are usually self-limited, meaning they resolve without treatment. Doctors strongly recommend avoiding cough syrups for children under 6 years old. The real risks stem from contamination or improper use, not the medicine itself when it's pure and correctly dosed. Dr. Pankaj Hari, head of Pediatric at AIIMS Delhi, clarifies that uncontaminated cough syrups are safe if medical protocols are followed. Dextromethorphan, a common ingredient in over-the-counter cough syrup, acts as a cough suppressant by blocking the cough reflex in the brain. It's not harmful and doesn't cause kidney failure. However, contamination with toxic substances like diethylene glycol found in some low-quality syrups could be deadly. Types of cough syrups. Now, cough syrups come in two types: suppressants and decongestants. Suppressants, like those containing dextromethorphan, ease dry, hacking cough that can distress a child. Decongestants, such as phenylephrine or phenylamine, tackle nasal congestion, reducing runny nose or coughs triggered by nasal discharge. In the United States, these aren't prescribed for kids under 4. In India, they may be used for children over 2 in rare cases, but only under strict medical supervision. A major issue in India is that cough syrup are available over the counter. Parents often buy them based on a pharmacist's suggestion, bypassing the doctor's advice. This can lead to misuse. Always consult a pediatrician and use syrups only with a prescription. When to give cough syrups? Cough syrups should be given only when a doctor prescribes them, typically for persistent dry coughs or significant nasal congestion. They are rarely needed for infant or toddlers, especially those under 4, due to safety concerns. Right dosage. Correct dosing is critical. General physicians may not know precise pediatric doses, so consult a pediatrician. The standard dose for dextromethorphan is 0.5 to 1 milligram per kilogram of body weight, administered no more than 3 times daily. Always use the dosing spoon provided with the syrup. Using household teaspoons or tablespoons can cause overdosing. For children under 4, the doctors must specify the exact dose on the prescription. Side effects of overdosing. Overdosing can lead to serious side effects, including drowsiness, sedation, rapid heartbeat, nausea, vomiting in younger children. In adolescents, high dosage might produce a drug high potentially, leading to addiction or misuse as a mood enhancer. What to check when buying? Choose syrups from reputable pharmaceutical companies with clear labeling. Look for dextromethorphan for cough syrup, cough suppression, or decongestants like phenylephrine. Avoid cheap, unlabeled bottles for those sold in cans, as they can contain toxic solvents like diethylene glycol, which can cause kidney damage. This contamination has also occurred in other medicines like paracetamol. Other cough relief alternative. For young children, avoid medicine altogether. Safe alternatives include honey for soothing cough, steam or humidified air to ease breathing, and saline nasal drops for congestion. The FDA advises against alternatives like dexamethasone or certain antihistamines for children under 2. In summary, cough syrups are safe when used correctly, but contamination and misuse are dangerous. Always consult a pediatric, follow dosing instruction, and consider natural remedies first to keep your child safe. That's all for now in Explainer. I hope your child stays safe. Comment if you've got any suggestion down below.